Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell in the title and the thumbnail, you guys are gonna see that I'm going to be transforming myself into Tiffany, which is Chucky's bride or girlfriend, whatever you guys want to call her. I did this look 2 years ago and I'll post a picture for you guys right here so you guys can see it. I just never done a YouTube video on it, and I was like, you know what, this year I'm going to do that. And I'm also going to be doing Chucky for you guys, so keep an eye out on that and make sure that you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification to know when I post the video. You guys are still not part of my family, what are you guys thinking? Just come on, join the little family. You know, we are doing some YouTube videos here, tutorials, makeup, Halloween looks. We're doing everything here. This is a pretty good video to do because it's one of those last minute Halloween ideas that you guys can have. So I'm basically here to show you guys a last minute Halloween look for you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to be doing my eyes first this time. Normally I always do my face, but I was like, you know what, let's do the eyes. So we're gonna go ahead and do the eyes. I'm going to be using the Alyssa Edwards palette. This is the ABH palette, and the reason I'm using this one because it has the colors that I want to use. I want to do like this pink, purple, and the black, and I want to use those colors because I feel like it's just gonna make it very, very deep. And I'm going to be mixing a little bit of the brown, just a tad bit, just to deepen it a little bit more. The brows she has are like really, really black. I'm going to be using the liquid liner. This is the House Labs liquid liner, and this is their eyeliner in Punk. So I'm gonna just kind of do this and shade in my brows, and I'm going to be doing black because she has really dark brows. So we're going to be doing that, and it's a Halloween look, so it should be a little bit more dramatic. I'm going to be using the Stay Naked Urban Decay concealer because this is like one of my favorite concealers, and I'm gonna go ahead and just sharpen that and clean that edge out. I'm actually really excited to do her because I just love how easy she is when it comes to Halloween, especially since all you have to have is like a blonde wig, a leather jacket, a white shirt, and you know, it's pretty easy. And the makeup is super easy to do as well. It's very, very smoky and grungy. So it's basically all you need. I love a last minute costume because normally I never figure out what I'm going to be for Halloween till the day of or like a week of, you know, but I never really plan my costumes out unless I have to, or especially when I would go to the events, especially the Halloween events, which I miss so much. Those were always so much fun, which I miss so much. I just wish everything was the same, but it's not. Life is not how it used to be. It's so different. Now that we have this really nice clean brow moment, and we also have our base for our eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with the Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm gonna go in with Unicorn Tribe and BBDC right here. These two, I'm going to be using those two and kind of mixing those together and adding that to the crease just so we can start getting the color and the vibe of this look. It's gonna be super smoky at the end, you guys, so just keep that in mind. And I'm also going to be adding that to the inner corner because I want my inner corner to be super, super deep. And I kind of do want to do like a winged out kind of look. So that's what I'm going to do. I want my eyes to be more like stretched out. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this palette. This palette is BH Cosmetics, their Drop Dead Gorgeous, a little bit Psycho palette. I know it's a really long name. And I'm grabbing this color right here because it has a little bit of that hint of red burgundy that I'm looking for. So I'm going to be adding that a little bit to the eye look and just blending it in to the purple just so we can get that color in and a little bit more warmth here. So we're going to just kind of have to blend that in a little bit more. Now I'm going to be grabbing my House Lab. This is their Identify gel liners, and I'm going to be going in with Punk, which is a black one. And I'm going to be kind of adding that all over the lid just so we can start getting that black smoky eye effect that we're looking for. I'm going to add it all over. I have a pretty big lid, so excuse me. And this is going to work as a base for our black eyeshadow, so it can be like super black. So I'm going to be grabbing the shade Beast, which is this black from the Alyssa Edwards palette. And we're going to be adding that all over the lid so we can get that really, really black effect on the eye. And we're going to be blending that in to the crease. Messy right now, you guys, but it will look really, really good once I have the rest of my face on and the wig. Now that that's blended out, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay again, Stay Naked Concealer. And I'm going to add a little bit to my under eye because I feel like I need it, especially for the base of the eye. So we're just going to add a little bit here under. Go ahead and blend that out so I can get a little bit of that nice base. Because I don't want to go straight with black on my bare skin because it's just going to be really hard to take it off. So I'd rather have like a little bit of a barrier of makeup. That's going to help a little bit with the process. And I'm gonna go in with my same eyeliner. This is the House Lavatories gel liner in Punk, and I'm going to be lining my eye inside. We're gonna start slowly blending that out. It's gonna be super grungy, just to let you guys know, so don't be afraid to add a little bit more eyeliner than normal and drag it down. And whatever's left over of the black that you use for your top eye, the lid, we're gonna go ahead and use this and blend out the bottom part of the eye, just kind of setting that gel liner. With the same brush that you use for the top of the eye for the eyeshadow, we're gonna go ahead and start blending that out together here on the outer corner. Getting the shade BBCD is BBDC. We're gonna get this one right here again, and I'm going to be blending that out with the shade Bees, which is a black shade, and we're going to just kind of blend that in downward right here and just kind of smoke it out even more. Don't be afraid, you guys, to go really heavy, because the heavier you get, the better. Unless you're trying to go a little bit more glam, then go a little bit lighter. But I recommend, since it's Halloween, don't be scared and go heavy. And basically, if you want, you can kind of go in back and forth with Beast and BBDC, whichever shades you guys use from any palette, and kind of go back and forth just to get like the depth of this really black. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with my lashes. These are the Baddie B lashes in the style Baddie, and you know, we're gonna put Baddie on because you know what, Tiffany, she is a bad bee and she's with Chucky and she needs to be dealing with that crazy man. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I'm back, I'm gonna go in with this foundation. This is the Ciate London Extraordinary foundation, and I actually really like this. I tried it the other day and I fell in love with it. So we're going to be using that as a base today, and I'm putting this on the back of my hand. It's really thick, so you don't need that much. You guys, if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, I am posting a lot of Halloween content there. Most of the time there. I do some TikToks, but the TikToks, I put them to my reels on my Instagram. So if you guys want to check any of those out, I have done Edward Scissorhands so far. I have done The Little Mermaid. I have done, I've done a lot. I've even done like a bloody kind of like doll-like girl. I'm telling you guys, follow me there. I'm posting way more there than here. But any looks that I want to do as YouTube videos, then that's when I come here and do the YouTube videos for you guys here. Now I'm going to go in with the same Urban Decay concealer, and I'm going to be concealing my eyes a little bit down here, just to brighten it up a little bit more. And I'm going to be trying to use like a brightening powder because I really want my under eyes to be a little bit more brighter than normal. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm not going to really use a beauty blender near the eyeshadow because I don't want it to mess it up. So I'm going to just kind of add this to the bottom and then slowly blend it up. I'm going to go ahead and just bake with my Laura Mercier baking powder. And we're just going to be setting everything up a little bit here on the concealer area. And with my Maybelline, this is the Fit Me concealer in the shade 50, which is Cafe. I'm going to go ahead and contour the areas that I want to contour and bring it in just like this, because she does have like this nice prominent cheeks. Contour my nose because I feel like her nose is a little bit more of like a point. We're going to be blending that out with my sponge and just kind of blending that upwards. And to contour, I'm going to be using this. This is the Kaleidos Charisma Contour Palette, and I am using the shade Warm and Medium. This is really good, and I just want to show you guys really quick. I've been wanting to show you guys really quick about this, and I just really like it. So we're going to be using that, and I'm going to be using these two colors right here just to add a little bit more of that contour right over here, and then emphasizing it and just blending that upwards. And I'm basically tapping that in and blending it up. Mia, excuse me. No. I have my cat here, Mia, and she's literally just trying to get at my stuff. She loves to be here when I'm like filming. If you guys have not seen her in my other videos, I try not to have her because she's always trying to touch everything, you know. Now that we have contoured, I'm gonna go in with this Laura Mercier. This is their secret brightening powder, and I'm going to be using this because I want my under eyes to be a little bit more brighter. So we're going to be going in with this, and you guys have to be really, really careful with this. I dropped it all over. I shouldn't have done that, but I wanted to show you guys. Okay, we'll just tap that. Oh my god, I can't believe I made this mess right now. So we're just gonna go ahead and just tap this all over and just brightening up that under eye and just tapping it in and sweeping it out. We're not gonna use this to bake because you cannot do that to bake because it will flash back just in case you're getting your picture taken. So we're gonna go ahead and just tap that all over here and any areas that you want to brighten. I just want to show you guys really quick. This is me. When I showed you guys on my YouTube channel, she was very, very small, and now she's, look at her, she's all big and crazy. Okay, I'm gonna get you down because you're bothering me. For my blush, I am gonna be going in with the House Laboratories. This is their Head Rush Blush Highlighter Duo, and I'm gonna be going in with Untamed, which is this one right here. I'll be blushing it right here on the cheek of the bones, the cheek of the apples of the bones. Why am I saying apples of the bones? The apples of the cheek, and we're going to be just adding it there and blending that upward like this. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. This is with the same thing, House Laboratories, their gel liner, and I'm gonna be lining my lips for the black lipstick. And for the liquid lipstick, I am going to be using the KVD Vegan Beauty. This is their latex liquid lipstick, and it has a little bit of glitter, and this is why I wanted it, because I just want a little bit more of a glitter, not too matte of a lip. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one. And now to finish off the look a little bit, we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their liquid liner again, and I'm going to be adding that mole because she has a mole, so we're gonna put it, and I'm going to put it like right here, like that. Ooh, I feel like it came out the way I wanted it to. We're gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of a highlight because you know what? She needs it. She needs a moment. Going in with the Milk Makeup, the Flex highlighter. I love this highlighter, so we're going to be going in with this one, and we're going to highlight all the areas that I need to highlight because you know what? She is a doll and she needs it. So we're gonna go ahead and just highlight. Okay, guys, are you guys ready for the wig? You guys, this is the moment I've been waiting for because I got a wig and I'm obsessed with it. So are you guys ready? 1, 2, and 3. You guys, so this is the look with the wig. This wig, it is the Bellamy wig. I will be linking the wig down below so you guys can check it out. I love this wig because it has like that dark root, especially for this look, and it just looks so nice, and I'm like obsessed with it. So of course you can go ahead and add the little heart that says Chucky. It's just like a red heart and then the name Chucky, so you guys can go ahead and add that. So let me know what you guys think of this look down below in the comments. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up and comment down below, like that YouTube know you guys are into these videos and they recommend it to any other people that are enjoying this content as well. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and it was easy for you guys to follow along. It's a super easy look to do, so let me know. If you want to see any other looks, let me know in the comments below. We'll be doing Chucky, you guys, so let me tell you guys, Chucky will be coming. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and hit the bell notification to know when I post another video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.